struggling to find winning Shopify products in 2025? You are not alone. Most dropshippers waste days, sometimes even weeks, chasing products that look good but don't actually sell. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find proven high-demand products that actually generate sales without guessing, without wasting money, time, or falling for viral hype. So stick around because we're about to reverse engineer real stores, uncover hidden gems, and validate products before you even start building your store or running ads. This is a good video. Stick to the end, you will not regret it, okay? So before we start the video, it's important to understand the main factors that turn a product into a winning Shopify product. And the first question is, are you passionate about the product? Does the product simplify and enhance someone's life? Does the product have a wow factor? Is the sourcing price not easily known? Does the product have a good profit margin? Note here is that we want to sell product for at least 3 times the supplier price, mainly to cover ad costs and other marketing expenses. Then, number 6, is the product hard to find in retail store? Does the product comply with Facebook ad policies? Is the product safe to sell and ship? If you can say yes to all of these questions, congratulations, you have found your winning product to sell in your dropshipping store. Right? So keep those questions in mind. The first method that I'm going to show you, and one that I highly recommend, is combining the power of 2 platforms, TikTok and ZIK Analytics. TikTok is great for spotting trending products with a lot of hype. But here's the thing, just because a product goes viral doesn't mean that it actually sells well. And that's where ZIK Analytics comes in. We'll use it to check whether these products are really generating sales or if it's just, a social media buzz. Finding trending products on TikTok is pretty simple. First, start by engaging with product related videos, like comment or save them, and TikTok's algorithm will start showing you more and more of this type of content. Second, you can search for popular hashtags like hashtag TikTok made me buy it to instantly discover viral products. For example, after searching for that hashtag, I already found a few interesting products, some that I've never seen before. Right? So let's start with this one right here, the hologram fan. So at first glance, it looks like $1 million product, right? It's like, wow, like the wow factor is just massive. But remember, right now, that's just an assumption. We need to validate this product with data. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to head over to ZIK Analytics like this, all right, and open the Product Explorer tool like this. And then in the search bar, I'm going to type the keywords that best describe this product, which is hologram fan. And then I'm going to leave the rest of the filters just untouched, all right? And then I'll click search. All right. So you can see here, while the product has a huge social media hype and incredible wow factor, the actual sales numbers on Shopify stores are quite low. So this right here saved us from wasting time and money based on assumptions instead of real data. Now, let's check another product that I found. It's this one right here, this mini printer. It also has a really strong wow factor while up here. I really like it. And then I'm just going to type here, I'm going to search a mini printer in the Product Explorer, and boom, look at that, my friends. You see that? Much better results. Right away, I can see better results. It has a solid sales numbers right here, providing that it's much better, far better option than the first product that we saw. And that's exactly how you validate product ideas, saving yourself, from spending money on products that aren't actually selling. Now, if you want to find winning products faster while still relying on solid data, you can also start your product research using the Item Finder. And here's my recommendation to find those hidden gems. Leave the search by keyword and exclude keyword fields blank for a broader results, okay? And then for revenue, what you do is you set the minimum to $9,000 because this equals to about $300 in daily revenue. For product type, well, filter for items that are sold by one product and by dropshipping stores only. Once you set these filters, just click search. Let's look at this one, this levitating moon galaxy lamp. It's generating over $20,000 in monthly revenue. This right here looks promising. So let's just dive deeper and analyze the store that's selling this. So it turns out that this is a niche store focusing on just a few models of this levitating moon lamp. And honestly, this product is perfect for dropshipping because it has high wow factor and strong perceived value. But we cannot stop here because we need to validate it further, because validating our decision based in one store alone is not enough. So let's just check if other stores are succeeding with this product as well. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna copy the product name, Levitating Moon, and then I'm gonna run a new search in the Product Explorer tool, and then I'm gonna leave all filters untouched, all right? Wow, look at that. Do you see that, my friends? This product right here is absolutely crushing it across multiple Shopify stores. You see this data right here? Most of these stores sold this item between 80 to 200 times in the last month at prices over $100. To be honest, I really like this Levitating Moon product. So let's just stick with this one for now. Now that we have confirmed that this product is great for dropshipping, it's time to source it. And you can always run a manual search on international suppliers like AliExpress to find good options. But there's an easier way to do this. Just click in the Item Finder button right here in ZIK Analytics. You see that? And it will instantly suggest suppliers for this product from AliExpress. And look at that. We have so many exact matches. So let's just go with this option right here with this one. Okay, so this is the exact same product that sold in the dropshipping store that we saw, all right? And the price is just $52.90 plus $20.98 for shipping. So that's a total of $73.88. And here's the crazy part. The same product is selling for more than double in that dropshipping store that we saw. So that means that for each sale, this store is making around $70 in profit before ad and operational costs. That's pretty amazing, right? What do you think? Comments below, what do you think about this profit margin? All right, so next, after we have found and validated a great product, we need to focus on how to showcase it. And here's where I recommend doing a bit of manual work, all right? Reviewing the top performing stores that are already selling this product successfully. It's simple, you just want to study what's working. Look at these stores, look how these stores present the product. Pay attention to their color schemes, to their CTAs, calls to action, the product copy, and overall design. And as you can see, I'm starting to do exactly that right here. I'm taking notes on what these successful stores are doing right. And the goal here is to apply these insights to your own store, whether it's your existing store or a new dedicated store just for this product. This way, you're not guessing, you're learning directly from proven success. All right, before we continue and dive into how to market and drive traffic to the products that you found in your product research, if you found this video helpful, useful so far, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And if you want access to the same product validation and research tools that I'm showing using in this video, then you can subscribe to ZIK Analytics for just $1 for the first week. $1. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. All right, so the last thing that we need to cover is how to drive quality traffic, the kind of traffic that actually engages. And then you have two main options here. One is organic marketing, and this includes free methods like TikTok videos, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and posts. And basically, if it's free to post, it counts as organic. That's the whole mindset here. And then you have paid marketing, and this includes paid ads on Meta, which is Facebook and Instagram, also in TikTok, Google Ads, and so on. And paid ads bring instant traffic, and they work best when your product has a high profit margin. As we saw earlier, we found a product with around $70 profit per sale, which makes it a perfect product for scaling with paid ads, since it's easier to cover the ad costs. For low margin products, I recommend staying cautious with paid ads and focusing more on organic strategies. Now, even with the organic or paid marketing, you want to base your actions on proven data to save time and effort. Right? Here's what I do. I simply search for the product name on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube and study the high engagement videos. That's crucial. Then I either order the product myself and create original content, or I use AI tools to animate product images into short, engaging videos that I can post. Another great way is by checking competitor stores using ZIK Analytics. Just look for a store selling the same product and see which social platforms bring them the most engagement. You'll often find that only 1 or 2 platforms are doing most of the heavy lifting. And then for paid ads, here are 2 easy methods that I recommend. Visit Facebook Ads Library right here, and then you type the product name and review the active ads, right? And the pro tip here is to focus on ads that have been running for a long time. This usually means that they are profitable and there's a reason they're still running after all this time, correct? And then the second one is to use ZIK's Product Explorer tool, filter by ads channels, and then you will instantly see which Shopify stores are successfully driving paid traffic to that product. Now, when it comes down to paid ads, I get this question a lot, what's the ideal ratio between profit and ad spend? And honestly, every seller has their own strategy, but here's my rule of thumb. Around 30% of your profit can go towards ads per sale, right? 30% of your profit. For example, if your product makes $70 profit after Shopify fees, spending up to $21 per sale on ads is still considered a good investment. That's why, especially in dropshipping, finding high profit products is absolutely essential. It gives you more room for paid ads and makes scaling so much easier. And before I go and wrap up the video, I just want to talk about one last thing, which is consistency. Like any business, success in dropshipping doesn't come overnight, all right? Don't listen to these fake gurus and YouTube. Look, it takes time, it takes effort, it takes constant learning. You need to keep testing, refining, and improving. When it comes to social media, it's not enough just to post a few videos and hope for the best, all right? The most successful dropshipping stores, they post daily. They tweak their paid ads regularly. They keep researching products and monitor competitors every single day. And what I'm trying to say is that success in this business comes down to consistency, all right? Keep showing up, keep improving, and the results will follow. All right, my friends, that's it for today's video. As you can see, finding winning products for Shopify dropshipping in 2025 needs to be data-driven, and this approach will boost your chances of success and put you in a much stronger starting position. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep moving forward, and I'll see you next time.